Today is International Firefighters Day, and one Northeast Abilene neighborhood made sure their local lifesavers were appreciated. KTAB's Mercedes Hernandez has the story.
It's usually quiet outside Abilene Fire Station number 5, but not today. Residents that live around the station gathered in its front drive with pots, pans, and drums Monday evening to make one big caring commotion for International Firefighters Day.
People are generous and want to do something.
The scene was organized by Debbie and Mark Riggs, who say they love seeing the fire engines cruise through their streets because that means
that they are taking care of us. When that truck goes by, there's something about Station 5 that we all feel a lot of ownership with. So we're very grateful.
One of the firefighters they're showing appreciation to is Ty Brooks, the captain of Station 5.
Best station in town.
He says seeing his neighbors with homemade signs, sweets, and blessings was a powerful sight.
It's just overwhelming, the support that especially this neighborhood gives.
But it's that same strong support that makes a hard job a little easier, says Brooks.
As we do see some pretty rough stuff, knowing that we are making a difference in people's lives makes it worthwhile.
And the gifted desserts help a little too.
I love brownies, so I'm good with brownies.
In Abilene, with coverage you can count on, Mercedes Hernandez, KTAB News.
All right, thank you, Mercedes, and thank you to the brave firefighters of the Big Country for keeping us all safe.